Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the royalty-free images feature in Explaindio 4.0. So I've got Explaindio here with a project open. In a previous video I showed you how to add various types of images to your video projects. And in this video I'm going to cover the Pixabay integration, also known as the royalty-free images feature, for which you'll find a button in the menu bar up top. Now before we get into that, I'd like to take you to the settings section, because you will need to first set up the Pixabay API integration. So you need to first open a Pixabay account. It's free to open, and then set up your API key, which is again very easy to do. And then you need to go back to the settings and enter the API key into this box. You can then close this dialog box. The information will be automatically saved. So once you've set up your Pixabay API integration, if you click on the royalties-free image button in the menu bar up top, it will open the Pixabay images gallery, where you can search for any images. So for example, if I search for internet marketing and then click search, it'll display internet marketing related images. So if I click on this image, it will automatically be downloaded. So if I go to the Explaindio main folder under Pixabay images subfolder, you'll see that the image has been downloaded. So let's go back to Explaindio, and I'll create a new scene like so. And let's add an image to the canvas. So I'll click on Add Bitmap Image, and I'll choose Add Image from Local Storage, and navigate to the Pixabay Images subfolder. I'll choose the image and click Open. It will vectorize the image, and then I can click the Add button. And here it is on the canvas. I'll show you another way to add images from Pixabay directly to a scene in your project. So I'll click on Add Bitmap Image again, and this time I'll choose Add Image from Pixabay. It will open the Pixabay Images gallery, and then I can search for something like sunrise, and then click Search, and here are the results. Now if I click on this image, for example, it will vectorize it. I can then click Add, and it'll be added to the canvas. I can then click the Scale Full Screen button, like so. And one final note, in both these cases, the Pixabay images are downloaded to the Pixabay Images subfolder. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.